Hello again, everyone. So today we're going to go ahead and draw a bubblegum machine. So first we're going to start out with the base of the bubblegum machine. So I'm just going to go down like that. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put the bottom of the bubblegum machine, and I'm going to make it come out just a little bit to the sides and then down, and then a curved line at the bottom like that. And then we're going to go ahead and draw the glass ball on the top where the bubble gums are going to be. So we're just going to draw a big circle. At the top, and then on the very top up here, we're going to just put a little rectangle, and another little tiny rectangle on top of that. It's kind of like the place where you unscrew the bubblegum machine to put the bubble gums in. And then we were going to go ahead and draw the little dispenser where the gum comes out. Just kind of like a half circle. And then we're just going to put another little small half circle inside of that. And then of course we need a little coin slot. So above that we're going to put a little rectangle. And then you need the thing that you twist to get the bubble gum out. Kind of looks like a little propeller, kind of. You can turn it. All right, and then lastly we have to add the bubble gum on the inside. So I'm just gonna make a bunch of little circles in here. You could put as many as you want. And kind of like some half bubble gums that are going around the side of the bubblegum machine. And then I'm going to add like one or two more in there. Like that. All right, so next we're going to go in with our Sharpie and outline our drawing. Our little dispenser. And our little coin slot. Gotta be careful with that because it's kind of small. And then our little propeller right here. Like that. And the glass container on the top. Okay, and then our bubble gum on the inside. All right, so next we're going to use our eraser and erase all the pencil lines that we have on our drawing. Okay, right there. All right, and next we're gonna color our drawing. So I'm gonna use this nice bright red for the machine, for the bottom of the machine. Usually bubblegum machines are red, but you know, of course you can make it any color that you'd like. A lot of red to color in here. All right. So next we're gonna do the like metal parts, I guess, of the bubblegum machine. So our little dispenser and the little propeller, not really a propeller, but the thing that you turn to get the bubble gums out of the machine. Do our little slot, this gray color, and then we're gonna do the bottom part of the dispenser, gray. These are all like the metal pieces, and then the bottom of the bubblegum machine. And then we'll also do the top part we unscrew to fill the machine with bubblegum right here. All right, and I'm gonna color this part black where the gum comes out. All right, and next we're gonna go ahead and color our bubble gum on the inside. So I've chose 6 different colors, but you can, you know, whatever colors you want to use. I'm going to put a couple yellow bubble gum. Kind of scatter the colors out throughout the drawing, that way you don't have 2 colors right next to each other. Just makes the drawing more appealing, I think. Put their pink down here. And I got orange. another orange over here. And then I also have a green. And blue. Another one right over here. And then I also have red. All right, and there you go. That's how you draw a bubblegum machine. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a lot of other videos on my page. And thank you so much for watching.